Hey, Crafty Town Van. So today I just got this toy from Target and it calls Itty Bitty Pretty Bitty. So let's get started to open. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Town Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Town Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Town Van. Alright, let's start opening. You can sit like this.
Let me help you.
Yeah. Got myself. I guess let me open the other side. There we go. Okay, let's get this opening. Got top trash. And we just need to open this part. Oh, we're almost there. Let's open this. I think. Oh, guys. Maybe we need some water.
So, there's a spoon. Can I open this part?
I don't know if we can.
No, let me help you.
You can open the wrappers.
It's like a zipper.
Like a zipper. No, it's about to break.
But I got it.
See? Oh, whoa. Okay, so first,
Look inside.
that's
There's some
cool.
blindfolds.
Okay, I'm going to start opening this.
You're gonna open that one, and I'll open the other one.
You're going to open one. Okay.
Which one do you want me to open? I'm gonna open this one. So let's see what's inside.
Oh my gosh.
Here, let me show them.
Look.
Okay. So we need to open this part because it looks like, yeah. We just need to open this big old part.
Yeah.
So let's rip together.
You're going to take it out.
I got it.
Now. Okay, you got it.
Wait.
Okay. Now I'm going to start opening.
No, wait. You have to open this part. Let me help you.
Whoa, cow.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
There's like a
Teacup.
teacup. Here's the teapot. Some more blindfolds.
You're going to open that one.
Okay. I'm gonna open this one.
You get
guys.
this one too.
Okay.
I'm going to open this way.
Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this is cool.
Let me see what's in here.
I don't know what this is. Kind of looks like. Okay, there's some more stuff in
What?
this one. Oh my god, this is so cute. It has a little. Here, let me come show you guys. It has a little unicorn and also has a little teacup for it. That's so cute.
There's something right here that I just got.
Oh, this looks like you could put on the handle.
Here, here's a structure.
No, keep it open because it looks cool inside so we can like put the teapot and stuff in there. No, show them.
Yeah.
Whoa. There's also another thing. Let's see.
It's just going to fall.
Wow! Oh yeah, guys, look. We also have this dog. It's also clear. And I think this teacup is for the dog.
Guys,
So
look
cute.
it. Look. Here, go show them.
Whoa. Look at this, guys. It's like you can make cupcakes and the donut patterns. And it looks like this is a cookie.
Hey, look.
Let's show them.
Look.
They were hiding in that little spot.
Okay, you're going that way.
Okay.
Wait.
It looks like you need water for that.
Okay, guys, we're going to be right back to get some water.
Yeah, let me show you guys what I'm about to get in this one.
That is so crazy.
Oh my gosh! This is for one of the dolls. It's like a sleeping mask. That is so cool.
There's another one. What?
Oh my gosh, we're so silly. There was another one in there.
Guys, we will need 2 waters to do this.
Yes. So we're gonna need some water and put in.
What
But guys, I'm gonna show you guys these dolls really quick. So here's
I'm gonna show you
one doll, and here is the second doll. Actually, the teacups are actually for the girls. Yeah, these
Look,
little
guys.
teacups are for the girls.
These are like the little. I don't know what's inside, so we're gonna be right back.
Wait.
Get the water.
And guys, I just got these little cute glasses. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we got the warm water.
And I'm gonna go first put in the sun.
And I'm gonna show you something while she's doing that. So, okay. So there's something inside.
What's the?
So let's open this up. Guys, there's some surprises in here. So we're gonna get that done and then we're gonna do the surprises. So,
It's slimy when you touch this.
okay, get those out so I can do this right here.
Okay.
That one is for this girl.
So this one's your favorite.
So can I dress her?
Yeah, they're slimy.
Ew. Okay, my turn, guys.
And that one is for her.
Okay, let's go ahead. Whoa, it's already dissolving.
Ew.
It's
slimy.
It is slimy. Let me put my hands in there so I can wash them off. Let's get. Oh yeah, she's gonna get the stuff out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dress her up. And
Yeah, let's wash these.
do you want to
off.
get those all out really quick?
Oh, we need this one.
Okay, guys. So
And
she's
guys,
gonna.
look, there's like
Yeah.
surprises. Now I'm gonna start taking them out and open
And she's
the
gonna
supplies.
give you one, and then
And
she's gonna give her one. So like,
Can you
yeah.
please dress her up?
And can I get open one of those?
You need to dress up those both and I have to open them.
No, because this is the girl that you're gonna dress up, and I'm gonna dress up this girl.
I guess I'm getting the one that is from my sister. This is so hard.
I need to put one leg in first, and that's pretty hard. Put these in. Okay. It's pretty slimy, that's why. So like, yeah. Oh no, her leg. Okay, there we go.
I'm gonna take out this one that is from me. Okay. Yay.
What?
Go first, I get to open. Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Here's a blind bag for my sister.
Bruh.
What?
There was like some. It was like I
There's
was.
These are for me.
Oh, which one is for me?
What?
You only have one.
Oh, like both.
Oh, can I use one?
I gotta see which one is for you. I gotta think.
Okay.
That's for you.
She has to think, guys.
Here's your 2 blind bags, and I get another one. I'm just blind bag.
Let me put this on.
Guys,
here.
is that crazy that it had
Blind bags in the
teacup? You get 2 ones, and I.
and the tea thing that.
Now I'm gonna start opening these blind bags. Wait, don't see it.
Okay.
Wow!
Wait, show them.
Guys, look, there's this
It's a little
thing.
one, kind of like this.
And
So
this cute. Cute.
I have to put
And then
this
we have
in.
another one. Oh, this is cool. I can't believe that they get one of these. They both get to share a brush. Ooh. All right, let's open my other blind bag. Ew, no! I opened the squishy.
Ooh, that smells good.
Guys, this is so awesome.
It fell on the ground.
Okay, guys, let's put this back in because yeah, this
I'm
is
gonna put on her shoes now.
okay. So So, do you want to open this one?
No, I'm gonna open my blue bag.
This is the squishy, no.
Why?
That's the squishy one.
Oh, yeah.
And this is the squishy one again. Oh my god, the squishies!
But I want to open one of these quick. I'm gonna open this one only. Let's smell this one. Okay, let's look at the directions. It fell on me. No, she fell. Now we're gonna look at this. Now we have to put the cubes in.
Now let's feed her some water. Drink her some water. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start feeding her. I gotta think about which.
Yeah, no, because it said put them in, so.
What we need. First, I'm gonna open the wrappers.
Which one are you gonna give me?
What? I'm gonna open 2 of them. I'm open both.
I'm gonna open this wrapper.
Which one my sister can open? She can open this one.
And I'm gonna put it in. Oh, it has purple glitter on it. I get the glitter one. Okay, guys. Ugh.
Guys, she is going to do, which one? Can you open this one? I'm going to start opening this one for you.
Which one am I gonna put in?
What? This one's yours.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that one in.
Yeah, this one's yours. Maybe you can feed them some water and some food.
This one's hot.
Cute, gooey. Let's feed her some drink.
Wait, no. The teacups. Where's the teacups that you're using? The little teacups are somewhere. Oh, here's one. Here. You can pour some in there. Some of that in there.
Okay. She loved it.
I'm gonna be right back. This is pretty good. Okay, guys, we're gonna put these in.
The blue one.
And mine has glitter on it. And look at the.
Mine too.
Mine has a diamond.
And mine has a star.
Okay, so I'm gonna drop mine in. Wait, I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. Let me come around. Okay. Put the water right here. I'm gonna put it in a little. Whoa, look at it. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go finish it over here. Ew, it feels weird.
Okay, you still keep doing it.
Look. It feels
touching
weird.
Keep it.
Wow. It's like a bath bomb, kind of.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start opening this, and Van, you can go ahead and wait, not yet, cause there's other stuff in here. I found some earrings. Okay, I'm gonna set these.
No, wash it off.
I am. Okay, wash those off. Okay,
Well, those are for you.
we don't know if they're for her or not. Wait,
No,
there could be some other stuff, so I'm gonna look if there's any other stuff on the ground.
Okay, guys. So like, she has. This is slimy. It's okay.
Yep, there's no more stuff. Wait. There's stuff in there. Look, there's something in the shoe for her to put on her hand. Take it out. Okay, guys, I'm done.
It's just
I got
gooey.
some earrings.
It's just gooey.
Let me see.
It's just gooey. That's how the other one is.
Never mind. Because I had something in my shoe.
Okay, guys, my turn. Ew.
Yuck. I wonder what you're gonna get. I'm gonna try to dig it out with that one right there. Like, I started like breaking it. Cause I would feel something. Ooh.
Some bracelets.
Oh yeah, those are for her. Yeah, these ones are for her because she has holes in her ears.
Guys, she got another bracelet. Nothing else. Let's see what else. Ew!
Oh, man.
Guys, this is so awesome.
Ew, it has a nasty color.
Ew! It looks like pasta greenish.
No, look, does not look like pasta.
Guys, let's see if something else is in here.
Now wash out the shoe.
It looks like leprechaun.
It feels so nasty.
Ew. Let's clean off the shoe.
When I was cleaning out this, like, it started feeling nasty. I'm trying to get this thing out. Her shoe.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's just clean up this.
Oh, her pants are falling off.
Yep. Let's clean off this because it's pretty gooey and gooey.
And I need to put on her earrings.
Okay, let's get her. Okay, guys, I'm going to start putting on her clothes because I haven't put her clothes on. That is so cool, guys.
Those ones are for her. Okay, I'm going to put on this shoe really quick.
She's gonna look cute and so cute. Guys, comment down below if you went to the store at Target and got these.
The Itty Bitty Pretties.
Itty bitty pretties.
These boots are too big. Let me put them in here. In her ear. Put what?
Well, she gave that. Well, that's how it looks.
What in her ear? Woo. Now the other one.
Can you help me,
Okay.
Sissy?
What?
Where she is?
Wait, let me put on her shoes and let me get this thing out.
Guys, this is so hard. Like, I never did this.
Oh yeah, you can put on her hair. Okay, guys, I can't get it up, but I'm gonna show you guys her really quick. I don't have her fully dressed, but she looks pretty cool. I'm gonna get her other shoe on, but she's cool. They can look at her. Okay, guys, so what if there's anything else? Let's look. What? These might be some stuff that they can stand on. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. Let's see. Let me put on her.
Whoa! Guys, that is actually crazy, but she just fell. She just fell.
She dropped her shoe.
And she just fell.
Where her shoe went? Oh, found it. Okay, I
Okay,
found her
let's
shoe.
go her hair.
Okay, you gotta put her foot in. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put her on. Whoa. Twist your foot.
Guys, that is actually cool, guys. Look. Ah!
Look, guys, it's like we're about to eat them.
Look. That looks so crazy.
Okay, man.
Guys, I
Okay,
think
so-
these are squishies, yeah.
This unicorn is her pet. And where's the dog? Let's move this to the side.
Ew, that's nasty.
We're gonna move that to the side.
Where's her dog?
We don't know. That's okay. Okay, let's see what else is here.
Wait, let me see something. What could be her dog? Is it Stu in here? Is her dog Stu here? Guys, wait a minute. I think her dog is Stu in here, guys.
Probably. Probably not. I don't see anything else. Because I'm looking at these descriptions and they look pretty different. Wait, I think I know. Wait, when? Oh no.
Guys, I think we forgot one more thing.
What?
I open this. And what is this, guys?
There's probably something to put it together so we can
fall.
hang up. So, okay guys, so we're gonna show you all this stuff.
Oh,
And
it
then
could be a
we're gonna go
seesaw.
Mhm.
That's cool. Here, I'm like, here.
Sorry.
Get down.
Okay guys, so we're gonna show you guys. Where's the dog?
I got my pet.
I'm gonna brush her hair really quick. Remember we showed you it came with a brush?
Gosh, you got a unicorn.
Here you go.
Guys, let's put her on a seesaw.
Ooh, they can both fit in the seesaw.
Ah!
Oh, that's okay. We'll put it
It
in.
looks like a seesaw.
Yeah.
And I got my pet. Pet name is Silver. Silver name?
Oh,
Pet.
she's gonna try on the sleeping mask.
And I'm gonna give her a tea for her tea. So I'm gonna give her some tea. Because she wants some tea.
She's about to go to sleep, so she needs it on.
Can you help me take out her ponytail?
One sec. Why?
I just want to.
How about this? You brush her hair while her ponytails are in.
No.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
What?
See? It's adorable. Okay, guys. So,
I'm really sweaty.
we are going to
Guys.
finish up. And yeah, so let's start. Okay, so let her try this on. It's really cute. Wait, let me take it off.
I didn't know that, guys.
Okay, so.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy watching us open this itty bitty. Wait. Oh, itty bitty pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us open itty bitty pretty and pretties. I mean, and it was really cool. And how did you like it, Van?
10,000.
Yes,
Good.
she really loved it. I think this is great because like once you open this, like you don't know what is it. And it's like really cool. So guys, like, oh yeah, and like and subscribe.
Bye,
Crafty Tin